Morning, dear students. As we are continuing lesson number 13, solve the word problems from our Navneet workbook, Navneet practice workbook. So, yesterday lecture we completed up to question number 5. So, today we will start from question number 6. See, the question number 6 is here. 992 chocolates are distributed among 62 students equally. How many chocolates will each student get? They are equally distributed, so that we have to do the division. So we write this way: total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates equal to 992. Then number of students equal to 62. Sign of therefore, each student will get 992 divided by 62. See, do the multiplication over here. 62 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. 122, it is bigger from 99. So apply one time. 62 ones are 62. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 9 minus 6, that is 3. And bring down this 2. Now apply 62 6, 372. So each student will get 16 chocolates. Question number 7. The cost of 15 DVDs is rupees 375. Dipti wants to buy 45 DVDs. How much money will she need? Solve this way. Cost of 15 DVDs, rupees 375. Then cost of 1 DVDs, 375 divided by 15. Fifteen twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. So 15 twos are 30. Apply over here. 7. Bring down this 5. 15 fives are 75. So cost of 1 DVD, it is rupees 25. Now our required question wants to buy 45 DVDs. So how much money will she need? Cost of 1 DVD, rupees 25. Then cost of 45 DVDs, 45 multiply 25. So do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 4s are 20, plus 2, 22. Then 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 4 2s are 8 or 1, 9. 5 then 2, 9 plus 2, 11. So rupees 1125, that is 1125. She will need to purchase 45 DVDs. Next question, that is question number 8. There are 117 members in a relief committee. Each member gave rupees 85 as donation. The collected amount was distributed among 15 poor persons equally. How much amount would each person get? So write this way. Each member gave rupees 85. Number of members given 117. So 117 members will give 117 multiply 85. Obviously it will more, so do the multiplication. So 117 multiply 85. 5 sevens are 35, carry 3, 5 ones are 5 plus 3, that is 8, 5 ones are 5. 8 sevens are 56, carry 5, 8 ones are 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1, 8 or ones are 8 or 1, 9. So the rupees 9,945 total collected amount. Next part is the collected amount was distributed among 15 poor persons equally. Total collected amount equal to rupees 9945. Number of poor person. Number of poor person equal to 15. Sign of therefore, each person will get 9945 divided by 15. Fifteen 6 ja. 15 sevens are 105. It will increase. Bring down this 4. 15 6 are 90. 4. Bring down this 5 over here. 15 3s are 45. So each will get rupees 663. So each poor person will get rupees 663. Come for question number 9. A shopkeeper wants to pack 19,650 laddus. A box can carry 25 laddus. How many boxes will be needed to pack all the laddus? Total laddus. Equal to 19,650. Number of boxes. It is asking. Each box contain 25 laddus. So 19,650 divided by 25. Twenty-five eights are 200. It will increase. Apply 25 fives are 25 sevens are 175. Apply sevens are 175. 1 215. Then 25 nines are 1. It will increase. So apply 8. That is 200. 1 5 and bring down this 0. Twenty-five 6 150. So apply 25 6 150. So number of boxes we need, that is 786 boxes will need.